You guys had so much input in our last video that we decided to take you up on it. We're gonna go pick up our friend's bike, this Lowrider S, that we are going to be redoing cosmetically, and I'm gonna ride it. And I'm gonna see how I feel about this bike, because maybe this is something down the road for me.
This is the one I've been telling you about.
I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna give you guys a review about the whole way.
Your honest opinion we want.
Honest opinion on everything I possibly can.
Just like that, we've acquired our target.
I'm layered up. It's a little chilly out.
It is. What was the temperature reading? What do we got here? I think it was like 55. It's cloudy a little bit, so I warned Tanya already about this short clutch lever. I do not like that, so we will be changing those out with some Eagle lights. Whole bike's gonna get revamped, so Tanya's first time on a Lowrider S.
Yeah.
In and ready to go. You'll be okay. It's the same thing as any other bike.
It's just not my bike. That's fine.
All right, good luck. Be careful.
I love you.
Love you. Watch that little clutch lever. Oh, and the Saddlemen's gonna push you up a lot farther. Be a little delay because that's throttle by wire. It's different. There's no cable.
There's a lot of slack.
When you tune bikes, that goes away.
Yeah.
And the RBW.
Ooh, I'm burning my pants.
Oh, you burned them already? Oh no. Can't be wearing bell bottoms, I guess.
Definitely very interesting with these mids, for sure. This is so weird. I feel so high up too. It's so crazy going from apes to lower bars in the front. I feel like so much more leaned over. I almost feel like I'm riding a crotch rocket right now. Brakes are insanely good. Keep looking down. see if my boot's melting off yet. There's a lot of play in the throttle before it actually like picks up. And the shorty lever is definitely something to get used to. Oh wow, these brakes are good. Still getting the feel for the friction point on this bike too. That's the interesting part about riding bikes other than yours. Yes, the idea and the mechanics are all the same, but you have little things that are different. The brakes are very good. I'm like, whoa, whoa. Yes. It's cool so far. I'm still like getting used to. Yeah, I'm still getting used to like the different, you know, the clutch, the friction point. Oh my God. I feel like that just took my front wheel off the ground.
So much torque. The chassis twisted coming off the line.
Was not expecting that. Damn, this thing is quick.
Oh no, it started raining. Poor Tanya.
Of course it's starting to rain. Why wouldn't it? It did not have any rain in the forecast. Of course. Of course. When I first took off, I felt like my front wheel came off. Like that's, I don't think it did, but that's like the the position I'm in instantly made me feel like it came off. Like I did not expect that at all. It's so quick.
Be careful, it's a little slick.
I know, now it's slick.
You got ABS and traction controls, that's nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Definitely a very, very cool bike. I feel like I probably have to ride it more. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Yes. Hold on, I gotta untie my boot now because I'm losing circulation to my ankle.
We'll give you a second to gather yourself, but I'm excited to hear your thoughts on it. While she's getting herself together, I'm gonna give you my impressions of her riding it. So what I can tell you is that she looks a lot more comfortable on it. Even if she wasn't, that would be solved with some pullback bars and a step up, because the step up would push her closer. She broke like 3 guys' necks while they were driving.
Really?
Yes, really. You're not supposed to be listening to this. This one guy like hung out of the car. He was like, whoa, my God. Looked good for her. But that's just my initial thought. We'll wait to get her feedback in just a second here. Thank you for coning off the driveway, Jace. All right, so let's hear it.
All right. Wow.
Wow.
Totally different bike than what I'm used to.
Or were you expecting? Or were you expecting something like this?
I didn't know what to expect,
Yeah,
to be
I like
honest.
that.
I kind of went into it open-minded, I'm just comparing it basically to what I know and what I ride.
And what you know is a 2007 Night Train and a 2001 Road King that's
which
built
are
like
both very low when I'm riding them. What I had a hard time getting used to right off the bat was the bars.
Yes.
I'm so used to being more up here that leaning down like this, I felt like I was in a crotch rocket again.
Yeah, and that's actually...
And it's not even that far. It's not even
no,
that
but
low.
this is the stock, and honestly, when I rode it, it's the same thing. Obviously, I'm a much bigger guy, but with like some pullbacks on this, like an 8-inch riser and pulls them back and a different handlebar, it changes completely. That's the first thing that everybody does is get rid of these handlebars, because those are like 4-inch risers and you're leaned way too far over.
It's so quick.
Yeah, well,
So
just
quick.
And you haven't rode my bike yet, so my bike's actually snappier than this.
It felt like the throttle response was like a little delayed.
It is.
So I was like, okay, it's gonna take me a second to get there. So I really went for it when I first took off after that light.
Oh my God.
I literally thought my front tire came off the ground, but it
I think
didn't.
you
It
just
was probably
decompressed
just
suspension.
The feeling of it, because I'm so much further down here instead of like this.
Yeah.
So you're kind of more or less
Yeah, you decompressed the
expecting
suspension. It came up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So every time I would get on the throttle, it was kind of like it would jump me back. I have to say it feels weird because it does. It feels like the bike just wants to come up under you.
They kind of do, because you remember, think about you're light, and this bike has 100 horsepower right out of the box for you. Like this is a 117, so this is a powerful bike.
This was affecting me a little bit. So the wind was coming up, and I was like, I don't remember it being this windy
before,
and I was getting just all the wind right into my helmet.
So this also could be adjusted too.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
And actually, I was just thinking, I feel like the wind net aspect has a lot to do with this right now. I think I want to say these might be adjustable.
I wasn't sure, but I was talking about that on the ride. This for sure needs to either come down or more up, I think.
That's actually hitting the road, so it's funny you say that. That's actually getting taken off the bike, so.
Oh, here you go. The seat's nice. It holds you in, like the whole idea of the step up holds you in. I'm very curious to see how the Saddlemen is going to feel. I would need to get on and ride it again and really get used to it. First time riding a bike that's not my own, it's a little weird.
Yeah,
it's hard,
and it wasn't.
It's hard adjusting to all the little different quirks that it has. Although every motorcycle is the same in basic mechanics, everything has its difference. You know, your friction point, your throttle response, your brakes. These brakes were insane.
Yeah, these
I thought
are
I was
really
gonna
good.
Flip over the handlebars at one point.
See how fun? Oh my gosh!
Because it just stopped me. I know some people can just jump on a bike and instantly feel comfortable and like they're like, this is my bike.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not sure I felt that way on this. I didn't jump on it and instantly feel like this is my bike, this is what I want. Probably have to test out a few other bikes to really get an idea of what suits me. That's my take on it so far. I really like the speed of it.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
It's
I like
definitely
how
got the
quick
get up
it
and
is.
go.
Yes. That is pretty awesome.
What'd you think about the suspension feeling on bumps and stuff like that?
Oh, that was the other thing. The suspension is very stiff, so those bumps, I felt.
The suspension seems a little stiff, so it is taking the bumps a little rough.
What did you think of it going around the turn? How does it feel? Because it felt like you were really leaning into it.
I'm used to apes, so I think I was very much still adjusting to the bike itself. That it was hard for me to really get a grasp on how well it performed.
Yeah. Well, they're not the right bars for you.
Right.
So that would all be changed.
They would not.
Any bikes that you came on any of our bikes, you've always changed them because you find something that suits you.
So let's get this seat on.
Yeah. Let's see the difference. So this is the difference between the Eahora and a Saddlemen. So first we'll get this one off.
All right, so we're gonna get this Eahora off now because it's out of here. Ready?
Pump that thing.
Ooh.
Oh, right in the garbage.
Lighter than the Eahora.
If you didn't see last time, this is our cork brown step up that we had made with bronze stitching, Saddlemen, the carbon Saddlemen strap here. Oh man, that's so sick. That looks so cool.
This goes under or over?
Yeah, under it. Oh man.
Me and my little baby hands in there.
That looks awesome. I love it. How pretty is that?
Don't wear bell bottoms with.
With the 2-into-1 that comes out like that.
Oh yeah, that feels a lot better than the other one. It really locks you in.
Yeah, the other one. I think the other one may have been extended a little bit.
And the other one drops down lower.
Yep.
So you kind of like slope in. This really keeps you like.
I'm telling you, it's a better riding position on the Saddlemen.
Yeah.
So if you had pullbacks, they would come up and then come out, and your bars would be more like right here. And think about the better.
Give me the height.
You'd be height, and your arms wouldn't be so stretched.
Exactly.
And it'd be a completely different riding experience.
Definitely don't like these bars.
Well, yeah, they're stock, I believe. So.
Yeah, this seat, even just sitting on it, feels so much better.
So much.
I guarantee the ride changes instantly.
It feels softer than the other one.
Positioning. Well, not even that, just your positioning. Because the other one was so dipped down. This just holds you differently.
Yeah.
It's great.
I'm excited to feel how it feels too.
That's what she said.
The first mod is a success.
Looks good.
Definitely looks awesome. And guys, we'll give you a sneak thing. This bike's not staying white anymore. She's looking at me because I tell you, because, you know, I do like the white with this color, but it's going to be a different color and it's going to look a lot better. I promise. Just have faith in us.
This is a really unique color.
It is.
Like
it's
this
cool.
color a lot. It's unfortunate that we're not keeping it this color.
Maybe you can get a white one. How about that?
It's not white.
I was gonna keep calling
That's
it.
white.
I'm gonna keep calling it
Wait,
what?
hold on. Let's look at the difference here.
White. Sandstone pearl. White. But you know what? It looks white.
Are you colorblind?
Maybe.
So the bike's here. It's here to stay.
Until it's completed. Until we kick it out the door.
Yep.
You know what? He has bars and risers for it too that we're going to be doing.
Okay.
So maybe you'll really like those once they go on there.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do have a lot of parts rolling in for this bike. We're going to start getting all the parts off that we know we're not using anymore or going to have on this bike. And we're going to get started with it. Don't forget, guys, you can join us on Patreon. We have ad-free content there, extra content throughout the week. And as always,
Thanks for watching, guys.
stay tuned for the next one.